Imagine yourself floating in the vast, silent expanse of space. No sounds, no anchors, just you and the infinite canvas of the cosmos. All around you worlds, each a unique sphere of rock, gas, or ice suspended in the blackness. And comets, icy wanderers with glowing tails, move in a grand, silent ballet, tracing elegant arcs across the sky. Every planet, from the smallest to the largest, moon, a faithful companion, and asteroid, a rocky fragment left over from the solar system's formation, follows a precise path, guided by an invisible force. Each celestial body dances to a rhythm dictated by something unseen. Without this force, the solar system would fly apart, scattering into the darkness, leaving the sun alone in darkness, a solitary star without its family. This silent conductor is gravity, the architect of cosmic order. It's the most familiar yet mysterious force in the cosmos, shaping galaxies and holding us to the ground. Earth is one of the principal dancers in this cosmic ballet, a vibrant blue sphere teeming with life, hurtling through space at 67,000 miles per hour, a speed that defies our everyday comprehension. Held in the sun's embrace, a gravitational bond that has lasted for billions of years. We don't feel this motion, this incredible velocity, because everything around us moves with us, the atmosphere, the oceans, even ourselves, all bound by gravity's unwavering grip. Gravity connects us to the heart of our solar system, the sun, and extends its reach to the universe beyond, linking us to distant galaxies and the very fabric of space-time. Let's embark on a journey to understand this invisible power, this fundamental force that shapes our reality. We'll see how gravity shaped the solar system from a cloud of dust, a swirling nebula of gas and particles, commands the planets, guiding them in their eternal dance around the sun, and sculpts worlds, molding them into the diverse and fascinating bodies we see today. We'll discover how it protects us, shielding us from cosmic dangers, and maintaining the delicate balance that allows life to thrive, and continues to change our cosmic neighborhood, subtly shifting orbits and influencing the evolution of planets. The story of the solar system is, at its core, the story of gravity, a tale written in the stars. It's a story of connection, order, a testament to the underlying harmony of the universe, and the elegant laws that govern everything from a falling apple to the motion of the stars, a universal principle that binds us all. So, what exactly is gravity? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. We experience its effects every single day, yet understanding its true nature requires delving into some of the most profound concepts in physics. Simply put, it's the natural attraction between any two objects with mass. The more mass an object possesses, the stronger its gravitational influence. This attraction is a fundamental force of nature, constantly at play throughout the universe. It applies to everything. Planets, from the smallest asteroids to the gas giants of our solar system, are all subject to gravity's pull. Stars, those distant suns that light up the night sky, are held together by their own immense gravity. Even you in the chair you're sitting on, yes, even you exert a tiny gravitational pull on everything around you, although it's far too weak to be noticeable. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. A planet like Jupiter, with its enormous size, has a gravitational field that dominates its surrounding space. That's why we're stuck to Earth and not floating away. Our planet's gravity constantly pulls us towards its center, keeping us firmly grounded. Sir Isaac Newton realized that the same force pulling an apple to the ground, a moment of inspiration that changed our understanding of the universe, also keeps the moon in orbit. This insight led to his law of universal gravitation, a cornerstone of classical physics. Gravity is the universal glue, connecting everything with mass in a cosmic web. It's the invisible force that shapes the large-scale structure of the cosmos. Albert Einstein took it further, revolutionizing our understanding of gravity with his theory of general relativity, describing gravity as the warping of space-time by mass. He proposed that gravity isn't just a force, but a consequence of how mass and energy distort the fabric of space-time itself. Imagine a heavy ball on a rubber sheet, creating a dip or curve in the surface. Smaller objects follow the curves it creates. This is analogous to how planets orbit stars, following the curves in space-time created by the star's mass. Planets like Earth follow the curve in space-time made by the sun's mass, constantly falling towards the sun, but never quite reaching it due to their velocity. Gravity isn't a mysterious pull, emanating from objects like an invisible rope. It's the shape of the universe guiding motion. Objects move along the path of least resistance within this curved space-time. Earth tries to move straight, but curved space-time keeps it in orbit, constantly redirecting its path around the sun. Whether Newton's pull or Einstein's curve, gravity holds matter together, preventing it from dispersing into the vast emptiness of space. It creates stars, planets, and galaxies from the building blocks of the cosmos, drawing together clouds of gas and dust over millions or even billions of years. Gravity is everywhere, shaping the universe at every scale, from the smallest atoms to the largest superclusters of galaxies. It's the force that makes structure possible, transforming a chaotic soup of particles into the beautiful and complex universe we observe today. Our solar system, a cosmic neighborhood we call home, had a humble beginning. It started as a vast, cold cloud of gas and dust, a swirling nebula adrift in the immensity of space. This primordial cloud contained all the raw materials needed to construct an entire planetary system. In this early stage, there was no sun to light the way, no planets to populate the darkness, just the potential for what was to come, suspended in the void. It was simply a solar nebula, a swirling mass of cosmic ingredients waiting for a spark. For millions of years this nebula drifted quietly in the Milky Way, an undisturbed cradle of future worlds. It was a period of cosmic calm before the storm of creation. Then, a disturbance arrived, perhaps a nearby supernova, a cataclysmic stellar explosion, sent shockwaves rippling through space, triggering a gravitational collapse within the nebula. Gravity, the universal architect, took over. It began pulling material together, drawing in gas and dust with increasing force, starting a runaway effect that would shape the destiny of the solar system. As the cloud collapsed under its own gravity, it began to spin faster and faster, like a cosmic figure skater pulling in their arms. This rapid rotation caused the nebula to flatten into a swirling disk, a protoplanetary disk where planets would eventually form. At the very center of this swirling disk, immense pressure and heat built up, eventually igniting nuclear fusion, the process that powers stars. And with that fiery birth, our sun was born, illuminating the nascent solar system. Around the newly formed sun, in the protoplanetary disk, dust grains began to collide and stick together, like cosmic snowballs gathering mass. These growing clumps of dust and gas evolved from tiny pebbles into larger and larger planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Gravity continued its work, pulling these planetesimals together through gravitational attraction, forming even larger bodies. These protoplanets engaged in a cosmic dance of collisions and mergers, a chaotic period of growth that spanned millions of years. From this tumultuous process, the diverse family of planets emerged, the rocky inner planets like Earth and Mars, and the giant outer planets like Jupiter and Saturn. The solar system's remarkable order, with planets orbiting in predictable paths, emerged from this initial chaos, a testament to the power of gravity. The arrangement of planets, their orbits, and the overall structure of the solar system were all sculpted by gravity's patient hand, a process that continues to this day. Every world, from the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, owes its very existence to this relentless force of gravity. Gravity didn't just create the sun and planets, it orchestrated the entire formation process, guiding the dance of cosmic matter. It set the stage for everything that followed, determining the orbits of the planets and the overall architecture of the solar system. The solar system's intricate architecture, its delicate balance and harmonious arrangement, is gravity's grand design, a masterpiece of cosmic engineering. From the smallest dust particles to the largest planets, gravity has overseen the entire transformation. In the story of the solar system's creation, gravity is the master architect, the ultimate builder, and the driving force behind everything we see. Once planets formed, gravity became the regulator, locking them into stable orbits around the sun. An orbit is a balance. A planet's inertia wants to send it straight, but the sun's gravity pulls it inward. The result? A continuous sideways fall, an endless orbit. Throw a ball hard enough and it would circle Earth, always falling but never landing. This is how the moon orbits Earth, and how planets orbit the sun. Moons orbit planets, and even Saturn's rings are countless particles in their own orbits. Orbits aren't perfect circles, they're ellipses, as Johannes Kepler discovered. This means a planet's distance from the sun changes throughout its year. From Mercury's swift dash to Neptune's slow sweep, every movement is gravity's choreography. Jupiter's 95 moons, Saturn's rings, and our own moon all follow gravity's rules. The solar system is a web of orbits, each a testament to gravity's control. Every object, large or small, follows the path set by gravity. The celestial waltz continues, precise and unending. Gravity doesn't just dictate orbits, it shapes worlds. As planets form, gravity pulls material inward equally, creating spheres. That's why planets aren't cubes or pyramids. A sphere is gravity's most efficient shape. Smaller objects like asteroids lack the gravity to become round, so they remain lumpy. Roundness is a sign an object has enough mass for gravity to take control. Gravity also sculpts oceans, creating tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth, stretching the oceans into bulges, one facing the moon, one away. As Earth rotates, we experience tides. The sun also affects tides, but less than the moon. When sun, earth, and moon align, we get spring tides, at right angles, neap tides. Tides are a daily reminder of our gravitational connection to the cosmos. Gravity shapes not just worlds, but the rhythms of life on Earth. The solar system is filled with debris asteroids and comets that could threaten Earth. But Jupiter, our giant guardian, uses its immense gravity to protect us. Jupiter's pull can fling dangerous objects out of the solar system or capture them as moons. It's absorbed impacts that could have devastated Earth. Jupiter's gravity also prevented a planet from forming in the asteroid belt, leaving only scattered rocks. In 1994, we watched comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 crash into Jupiter, a dramatic display of its protective power. Without Jupiter, Earth would face far more impacts, making life's evolution unlikely. Jupiter's gravitational shield is vital to our survival. It's the solar system's unsung hero. The solar system isn't a static clockwork, it's always changing. Gravity constantly tweaks the orbits and relationships of planets and moons. The moon's gravity creates tides, but also slows Earth's rotation, making days longer over time. The moon drifts away from Earth, changing our sky and tides. Planetary orbits shift and wobble over millions of years, influenced by each other's gravity. These changes drive cycles like ice ages and shape the solar system's future. Jupiter and the giants continue to clear debris, refining the system. The solar system is a work in progress, shaped by gravity's patient hand. Every day the cosmic dance evolves, gravity ensures the story never stands still. Gravity's influence stretches to the solar system's edge and beyond. In the Kuiper Belt, strange orbits hint at a possible hidden Planet 9, its gravity shaping distant worlds. The search for this unseen planet is driven by gravity's subtle clues. Closer to home, gravity challenges and aids our space exploration. Spacecraft use gravity assists, slingshots around planets, to reach distant destinations. Every launch, every probe is a dance with gravity. Our mastery of this force lets us explore, communicate, and reach for the stars. Gravity is the framework for our cosmic ambitions. It's the force guiding our future among the stars. From the birth of the solar system to the dance of planets, gravity is the constant thread. It pulled atoms together to ignite the sun, gathered dust into worlds and set them in motion. Gravity sculpts spheres, tugs on oceans, and holds moons close. The same law that drops an apple binds Neptune to the sun and the sun to the galaxy. Without gravity, there would be no stars, planets, or life. We are children of gravity. Our existence depends on it. Every time you look at the moon or feel the ground, you're connected to the cosmos by gravity. It's more than a law of physics. It's the narrative thread of the universe. Gravity binds everything in a single magnificent epic. It is the force that makes the universe a home.